guys, welcome to Mick Mack kitchen again with me, Christina Hann. In this episode we're going to make larb duck. Let's get started. For that you need of course duck meat. I have prepared here about 400 grams. I put in the oven for about 35 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius or about 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Most of my friends ask me how I clean my duck so it doesn't have this odor. It's very easy, you just need 2 lemons. I use the juice of a lemon to clean the duck and throw the juice away. And use the juice of another lemon, spray on top of the duck and roast with the duck together. There you go, you have perfect duck meat. And for the sauce you're gonna need 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm gonna put some fish sauce here. I have 1 lemon. I'm gonna take the juice and I'm gonna have a very spicy larb today. So I put here about 1 tablespoon of chili flakes. In the larb, I'm gonna put a little bit of lemongrass. I'm gonna chop it really fine. I'm gonna put a lot of coriander, fresh coriander. I have like 3 stalks. I'm gonna put 1 stalk of onion, green onion, and I'm gonna put some mint leaves. And of course you need ground glutinous rice. If you see my previous video, I've done that. I put about a cup, but I will not finish that. I always keep it aside, and anytime when I feel like I want to make larb, and I just take it out. It's about 1.5 tablespoons. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take on my duck. See that? I take the skin, but I will not take the fat. If you see that, it's a lot of fat. I'm not gonna use it. I'm gonna throw this away. So be careful, it's very hot. You're gonna cut it in small pieces and I'm gonna chop it really fine. For the larb, it's very excellent if you have a little bit of the fat, because if you only have the meat from the duck, it's just too dry. It's very hot because it just came out from the oven. Small pieces. This is how I mince my chicken, my duck, or my other meat. I feel like I don't want to go to butcher because it tastes different. So this is how it looks like. I'm gonna put in into my baking dish, a small one. I love this baking dish, it's just very convenient. I use it for everything. For making my salad, for baking things. There we go. During time, I'm gonna put this here all together. Oh, before that, I'm gonna cut inside here. Gonna cut inside the meat. You have to cut the lemongrass very, very fine. So put inside. With my meat together. So salt and sugar, they're inside here. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt. I put 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. I'm just going to cut my lemon juice inside. That's the interesting about larb. If you like it spicy, you put more chilies inside. If you like it sour, you put more lemon juice. My husband and I will love lemons, so we're gonna put 1 lemon juice. And if you like a lot of coriander, and you put just a lot of coriander. or if you like green onions and you put a lot of green onions. I prefer coriander than green onions. So you're just going to mix it here. If you have a whisk, it's also better. So try a little bit. It's very sour and very salty. I'm just going to put it inside and marinate it all inside. Oh, I'm drooling already, I'm telling you. It smells so good here. So I'm just going to put in my mint leaves. I've just washed them. I have like about 25-ish leaves. I don't really count them, honestly. I'm gonna cut my green onions. Put all the green onions inside. This is my coriander. I grow this normally, but I do it for fun because I think it's nice to see. They're not gonna survive anyway, but I think it's just fun to see them growing. It's just too cold in Germany. I always buy my herbs a lot, and I wash the herbs and then dry them, and I chop in small pieces and put in Ziploc or Tupperware, and then put in my freezer. So as soon as I need that, I just take it out. So put all inside here. So I'm just going to mix it all together. Oh, it smells so good already. Last thing, don't forget the rice powder. So yummy. Oh. Literally, I'm drooling right now. So you only put the rice powder only when you want to eat it. If you don't eat it, you just skip it, okay? Because I'm going to eat it right now, so just put all of it together. Now the fun part, I'm going to try this. Get all the herbs inside. Oh, it smells so good. It tastes exactly like in Thailand, I'm telling you. I can eat the whole bowl, but I have to share. Oh, it's so good. It doesn't smell at all. It's a very lemony. It's a little bit sweet, salty, and then you can smell a bit of the fish sauce. It's perfect for summer. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you have any requests or if you have any questions, don't hesitate to write down a comment below. Please share, like, and subscribe our videos. And see you next episode. Bye!